In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple Google Chrome browsers on your PC, laptop, and mobile devices. This setup is especially useful for managing multiple Gmail accounts or for those who want to separate work from personal browsing. First, let's start by opening your Google Chrome browser. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the official Google website. Having Chrome ensures that you have access to all the conveniences like syncing across devices and extensions. Now that you have Chrome open, you'll want to create a new Chrome profile. To do this, click on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the browser window. It looks like a little circle, often resembling a person's silhouette or your existing Google account's profile photo. Once you click there, a menu will drop down with different options. Look for the Add button and select it. This will begin the process of setting up a new profile. You'll be prompted to add a name, and you can also choose a distinct icon for easy differentiation. After setting these, click on the Add button to confirm. Once the new profile opens, it will be like a fresh Chrome installation, without any of your extensions, browsing history, or bookmarks. You can start customizing it by signing into a different Google account, which allows your account-specific details to sync. This means your bookmarks, history, and other settings will be just as you left them, keeping things neat and organized. Next, we'll focus on managing multiple profiles. This is the real game changer. By having multiple profiles, you can simply switch between them without needing to sign out and back in, which saves time and hassle. To switch profiles, simply click on that profile icon again. You'll see a list of all the Chrome profiles you've set up and, from here, choose the one you want. Your entire Chrome session will switch over to that profile seamlessly. This feature is incredibly handy for those juggling more than one Google account. For mobile users, things are slightly different. While you can't create separate Chrome profiles like you can on a computer, you can still manage multiple Google accounts within the app. You start by opening the Chrome app and then tapping on the three-dot menu located in the upper right corner. From here, go to Settings, then Manage Accounts. Here you can add another Google account by selecting the Add Account option and following the prompts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Remember, managing multiple accounts and browsers is a powerful way to optimize your workflow, whether it be professional or personal.